Hello chess lovers, Suren here, and in this video I want to share with you a very crazy chess puzzle which was composed by Ukrainian chess composer Mikhail Zinar. During his career, Zinar has composed around 200 endgame studies, most of which are based on pawn endgames. Zinar is also known as the king of pawn endgame puzzles. In this puzzle, the task is to find the winning line for white. You can pause the video and try to find the solution. Ready? Now look, despite the fact that white has 3 passed pawns on the 7th rank, but white actually has to be very careful because this white king is in danger, and by relying on the vulnerability of the h file, black can create too many problems for white. For example, if you hurry and go for a d8 queen, for example, then black can answer with rook g5, and it turns out that already the one who is in trouble is white. White king is in a mating net. That's why instead of going for a move like d8 queen, white is playing f7. This f pawn is coming to support the d pawn in order, when being promoted on e8, support this pawn on h5. Black is playing rook h8, is hitting the pawn on h5, and a very impressive move, f8 bishop. Yes guys, only this move is allowing white to win the game. Otherwise, if a move like f8 queen, then black can play rook a1, creating a mating threat, and after bishop takes a1, this time black can sacrifice his rook on h5, forcing queen takes h5, and we have a stalemate. Black king has no legal moves. That's why after rook h8, white is going for a bishop promotion. Looks beautiful, right? And already moves like rook a8 are not dangerous, because in the end of the day, if you sacrifice your rooks, already we have a bishop on h5, the h4 square is not covered, and we have no stalemate. It's white who is winning. Let's go back. So after f8 bishop, black is playing rook takes e8, is removing the defender, and in return white is again going for a bishop promotion. Rook takes e8 and bishop d4. An important waiting move, and at the same time it's very important to put the bishop on d4 in order to hit this pawn on f2, not allowing moves like king h4. Here black is again playing rook h8, creating a mating threat, and another bishop promotion is on the board. Rook takes e8, e7, rook h8, and there it goes, guys. We have another bishop promotion. So can we count how many bishop promotions we saw? 1, 2, let me count. 1, 2, 3. This was the 4th bishop promotion, right? Yes. The 4th bishop is on the board, and after rook takes e8, we have e6. And already the long diagonal is controlled by the dark squared bishop. There are no threats, but still black is managing to bring the rook on an attacking square and is playing rook f8. And after e7, black is playing rook f5. And the last bishop promotion is on the board. The 5th bishop appears on the board, and already it turns out that the rest is easy. Victory is just a matter of moves. If a move like rook d5, then already this time white can go for a queen promotion and can quickly win the game. Okay, let's go for it. Yes, it's easy. There are no threats, and white is winning. Okay, queen a6, and yeah, this is one of the possible ways. h7, rook c7, bishop g6, but still looks like that there are underwater stones. Rook c1, bishop h5, rook d1, and finally white is going for a queen promotion. Yeah, there were some underwater stones, and there it goes. The rest is easy, guys. Bishop takes h5. So you want to see a checkmate. There it goes, and we have a checkmate on the board. Yeah, there were still some nuances which probably even the composer didn't take into consideration. For example, in here, after rook d1, if you play a move like bishop b5, then in this case black can draw the game. Black rook is becoming a kamikaze, and black is managing to force a draw. That's why after rook d1 you should protect your bishop on f1 with a queen. I have to tell you that for a long time I was looking for a puzzle with many bishop promotions, and here I have it finally managed to find. If you remember previously I have published a puzzle composed by Suren where we had bunch of knight promotions, and this time we have series of bishop promotions. Looks beautiful, and I hope that you enjoyed greatly. In the end, a chess puzzle for you where the task is to find a mating line for white. Actually, there is a mate in 3, and I will wait for your answer in the comment section. Take care, guys, and feel free to check out these suggestions as well.